Go to the outliner and hide the next sphere by clicking on it and pressing H on the keyboard. H toggles between hidden and not hidden. Hide the paint sphere and rename the second sphere metal. Assign a Vray material to the sphere and rename the material whatever you want. I'm going to go with metal sphere because it's a metal sphere, don't judge me. We already created a metallic material in our last video, so you should already be familiar with this. Change the diffuse color to any shade of gray you want. Increase the reflection color, glossiness and metallic values to their highest, and the sphere becomes a very reflective metal. We see that messing around with these 4 values creates a variety of metal materials. We can even create chrome using this method. Let's go to the light lister and make our dome light a hemisphere by disabling the sphere option so we can see how our metal material looks without the grass reflections. You can make the dome light a sphere if you want. You can also tweak these values until you end up with the metal you're satisfied with. Next, let's create a cube so we see how our material looks on another type of object. Open up the hypershade and assign the metal sphere material to the cube. Yes, I know. I now recognize the folly of naming my material the way I did, but a good one. Increasing the reflection color, glossiness and metalness makes the cube very reflective. It acts as a mirror. I'm going to vertically scale up the cube so it looks a bit like the Xbox Series X, Series S, Series A. Just insert a random alphabet there, Charlie. We all know that's what Microsoft does. Again, play with the 4 values until you get the metal material you want.